In this video, we will explore top design styles for enterprise application demo video.
Beings into heroes with the power to improve and even save lives. The cell therapy journey starts once cells are removed from the body. Cell collection kits, secure packaging, full chain of custody, and experienced cold chain logistics prevents.
Cadence makes this easy. When you want to meet face-to-face, Cadence gives you the real-time context you need about people and spaces, so you can seamlessly arrange to meet with the right people at the right time and do your best work. The more choice you have in hybrid working, the more...
Racing towards the future, you'll need all of your IT teams working together as efficiently as possible. That's why we're introducing Jira Service Management, the first end-to-end ITSM solution built entirely on the Jira platform. It helps visualize and accelerate the flow of work between support, developers, and operations teams.
They stop running after you send a transaction to them. If you want to make transactions periodically today, you will have to initiate them manually. To make smart contracts work automatically, you need a third party to execute your transactions at a specific moment. Enter Gelato, a decentralized...
Underscoring the magnitude of this trend, ESG-driven assets now exceed $40 trillion, and demand continues to grow. But ESG investing presents several challenges for investment firms looking to grow market share and launch innovative products. A lack of standardized ESG data...
Customers to churn. This isn't anything new. Ask any data professional about the last time they've been woken up at 5 a.m. because of a broken dashboard or missing data. We call this problem data downtime. And you're not alone. Software engineering teams have been managing application downtime for over a decade, using robust observability.
As bright as the future looks, there is one dark cloud ready to unleash rain. For merchants, payment fraud is the kind of shower you don't want to be under. It affects over half of all businesses, spoiling revenue day after day, one drop at a time. Take shelter with Go Cardless Protect.
Web-based wellness programs that work with devices employees already own to track progress and reward achievement. Health coaching plans designed to address important lifestyle issues like weight loss, nutrition, and chronic disease management.
Adapt to changes and to use those efforts to outpace your competition. Sage Intacct Planning uses data from any accounting system or integrates directly with Sage Intacct Core Financials, so your current financial data can be used in real time to populate multiple what-if scenarios or budget.
To telehealth immediately, minimizing lag time and avoiding employee frustration by not having to repeat questions they have already answered. Within seconds of the referral to telehealth, the physician is provided information gathered from the nurse and is able to see patients within 10 minutes of arriving at the virtual waiting room.
Also known as DAI. To better understand it, let's take the example of Fun TV, a live TV channel played nationally so that everyone receives the very same content at the very same time. We call this version of the TV channel the national feed. Now let's say that an ad break is inserted in between two programs. This ad break is played
more powerful. Integrating data and electrical infrastructure brings so many new possibilities, but how does it work? Our equipment and electrical devices are natively connected. QR codes are located on all of our switchboards, giving access to key project information like single-line diagrams, instructions.
With CoralLink, you take advantage of digital data from your intelligent AUMA actuators to avoid downtime and maximize plant availability. Intelligent data analysis, recommendations for actions for predictive maintenance, active life cycle management. CoralLink ensures that your processes are simple.
Add segment to your application, which starts collecting data. You can add segment to your website, mobile apps and servers, or cloud app, like your email marketing tool, help desk, or payment system. When a customer interacts with one of your sources,
Segment captures it and sends it to your destination. Destinations, which are tools for things like advertising,
360-degree compressor information, live analysis, and highest data resolution, as well as flexible access rights management for different stakeholders for seamless integration into your processes. In the event of anomalies in the compressor operation, the person responsible.
Behavior and channel preferences daily. Content personalization and marketing automation enable businesses to address funnel drop-offs throughout the customer lifecycle. It builds highly personalized and authentic content across multiple communication platforms, leading to lower bounce rates, increased customer acquisition, and repeat purchases. Maximize
out, keeping everything you need to be an effective board member in one place. Appfolio partners with board members to continually evolve our software to ensure you're always on the most cutting-edge version, making it easy to juggle your board member responsibilities with your work, family, and other commitments. Want this to be your board member experience? Share this with your
Observability solutions have fixed things in place, centralizing data in a single tool, creating vendor lock-in, and slowing the stream of insight around every enterprise. It's time to set data free. Mesmo is here to help the data flow with unprecedented freedom. Mesmo Observability Pipeline.
% increment in sales, but how do you guarantee that those who see your promos also buy your products? One word: personalization. By segmenting customers in 80+ ways, you can aim for the loyal regulars, and with our personalized coupon module, you can send your customers relevant communication and
sent to local workers who typically accept jobs within minutes. Workers choose the roles and shifts they're interested in, ensuring it's a perfect fit for everyone. You'll be able to see the profiles of workers before they arrive for the job, helping you learn more about the jobs they've worked in the past and recognize their friendly faces.
We've been using continuous cluster-wide profiling for years, but for others, the old generation of traditional profiling tools cannot be used continuously. That's why Granulate has open-sourced gProfiler, a free continuous profiler for production. It's low-overhead continuous profiling that lets you reveal application bottlenecks down.
The smart algorithms in the portal turn the raw data into measurable performance indicators, KPIs, that matter to you the most. Sudden braking, idling, acceleration, speed violations, cruise control, coasting, driving times.
While also filling them with reliable, ready-to-work on-demand labor in just a few days, or even hours, in the matter of a few clicks. Sound complicated or impossible? Not anymore. With ShiftGig, you can build a flexible workforce that responds to your business needs in real time. ShiftGig links businesses.
A small manufacturing company, which means he has to be everywhere all the time. There is always a problem to solve, a question to answer, equipment to monitor, like the compressed air system that powers his production. Luckily, Bob has Atlas Copco SmartLink. It gives
a one-time sale and lifelong customer. But with the power to anticipate your customer's expectations, you can deliver a brilliant, unmatched experience. Teams across your organization might be collecting the right data to understand your customer experience.
The global economy, environmental legislation, and the revolution of digitalization of industrial processes are driving change in the modern aluminum industry. Industry 4.0 is beginning to shape the way aluminum foundries are designed and operated, introducing new ways of working with increased data access for all levels.
Quality of human interactions, measurably increasing enterprise profitability. With Affinity, as agents become free, our AI deploys specialized machine learning techniques to identify each agent's unique behavioral interaction history. In parallel, we examine the behavior